Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 93 or stage 93 of building the Ecto-1. In this issue, we're continuing our door that we started on a couple of times back. We're putting the interior pieces on there. That's going in there. About there with SM screws. Get those out and done. Come on, out you come. There we go, two of them and a spare, obviously. Spare in the pile with the rest. I think I need a smaller screwdriver for this one. They will go in there. One up there. Then one over there. It says, not getting it lined up properly. Better. I shall get those tightened up in a bit. We've got the two exterior panels to put in place. One there and one over there. Screws to hold them in. Then we get the fun bit with the springs and stuff. So let's get these attached and I'll come back and show you all that attached. Right, that's all that attached in there as it should be, all nice and secure. So we've got the spring and the post, which goes on the long end of the post. And that goes into the end of that, like that, ready to spring against it. And that's got to go through there. So the post goes through the little hole. The bracket goes next to it. And that goes exactly where it should be. So if I drop the post, let's try and do that again. Yeah, this is the bit that's tricky to do. So let's try getting just the post and the spring in place. Should be just about there. There we go. That's the post coming through there. Then if I can get that attached to the other end of it. A bit like that. No, not like that because that missed. A bit like that. And then that's got to go in there. In and a screw. So once I get that in the vague sort of place, we can get the screw in. If I can't. Get the fingers out of the way to get the screw in the right place. Yeah, that's going to be a pain. Right, let me do that. Two other little sticky bits that go on the inside of there to stop the window from scratching. And we don't fit the window yet anyway. So let me get that done. I'll show you what it looks like when we're done. And there we have it. A little bit of fiddling, but it's all installed now. So the little black catch comes out and will indeed spring shut as the door closes. So yeah, that's that. All done. Ready for the window to be fitted next time. So yeah, that's that. Thanks for watching. Join me soon for the next and final issue of this delivery. So thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.